Hello everyone. Today we are going to do another example for integration by parts. So let us recall the IBP or the integration by parts. It's given by integral of u dv. So the parts are u then dv. This is equal to u times v minus integral of v du. Okay, and also we use the abbreviation LIATE in choosing our U. Okay, all right. So example number 4, integral of ln x dx. So we have U. We only have logarithmic expression or logarithmic function. So that is now our ln of x. And our dv is the remaining expression, which is dx. So if ln x is u, definitely the remaining dx will be dv. Now du is equal to derivative of ln of x is 1 over x dx. And to find v, we integrate both sides. So integral of dx is x. So let's enclose this part here and proceed with integration by parts. So uv, my u is ln of x times v, which is x, minus integral of v, which is x, and du is 1 over x dx. I hope you're able to follow. Proceeding, I will have here multiplying, so x ln of x minus simplifying the integrand or the integrand x over x, that's just 1. So integral of 1, right? You're left here with 1. So integral of 1 is x plus the constant of integration c. So this is the final answer. Okay, another example, number 5. Integral of arctan x dx, evaluate from 0 to 1. So this is a definite integral. So the integrand involves only inverse trigonometric function. So definitely that's going to be my u. So my u is arctan of x. And dv is the remaining expression, which is dx. Now finding the derivative of arctan, this is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, while v, integrating both sides, this is x. Okay, now let us set up our integration by parts. So I have uv, so arctan of x times v, which is x, minus integral of v du. My v is x and my du is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Alright, so what we do is we do the indefinite integral first. So let me erase 0 and 1 here. Then evaluate it from 0 to 1 later on when we already have the antiderivative. Okay, so let's continue. Simplifying, I have here x, arctan of x, minus integral of the product, so x over 1 plus x squared dx. Uy, what do we do with this integral? Let me do that here. integral of x over 1 plus x squared dx. Should we do another integration by parts? What do you think? Or can we use our first technique? Can we choose an expression for u so that its derivative is in the integrand? I will repeat. Can we find a u so that when you take the derivative, it's in the integrand? Sige, let's try. We can choose 1 plus x squared as our u, and the derivative of that is 2x, right? Dx. Oh, we have x dx. So just get rid of 2. So I have 1/2 du, and this is x dx. Okay, so let us proceed. We can do integration by parts. Okay, so for integration by parts, integration by substitution, I mean. So, integral of the denominator is just u. Then, the remaining expression, which is x dx, that's exactly this part here is just 1/2, right? Du. So, factoring out 1/2, integral of 1 over u du. Thus, I have, on the derivative of 1 over u, it's ln of the absolute value of u plus c. Okay, so meaning I can plug that in there in our original problem. So here I have x arctan of x minus the general antiderivative of this part here is 1/2 ln of the absolute value of, my u here must be 1 plus x squared plus c. So an absolute value of 1 plus x squared plus c. This is the general antiderivative. Now we proceed by finding the definite integral. So integral of arctan of x dx from 0 to 1 is x arctan of x minus 1/2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus x squared, evaluate from 0 to 1. So when x is 1, so I have 1 arctan of 1. Okay, 1 arctan of 1 minus 1/2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus 1 square minus when x is 0. So when x is 0, this is 0 minus 1/2 of ln of the absolute value of 1. Okay, so note that the arctan of 1, so that is tangent inverse of, say, alpha is equal to 1, so this is pi over 4 minus this part here is ln of 2 over 2. This is 0. ln of 1 is 0. So this is now our final answer. Okay, I will make another video for the other examples, and also I will send you an answer for the practice problems in integration by substitution. Goodbye.